Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. So this is the final video for the countdown to Christmas in the Rooming House Dollhouse. So let's go ahead and get things together. Now that we have the Christmas tree together and the fireplace, let me show you dolls what I did to make Christmas wonderful for the dolls in the rooming house. Christmas was always really big for Daddy, and it was always a very, very special day in our family. So I wanted the rooming house parlor to be perfect for the dolls for Christmas. Now, if you haven't seen the rest of the videos for this series, I will leave a link in the description for the countdown to Christmas videos so you can be up to date on what's happening in the rooming house dollhouse. So if you're wondering how we got to this part, it'll help bring you up to speed. I've really been excited about bringing all the accessories and details together. Now this is a lovely rug that I bought at the Ann Arbor Miniature Show in May. It's so funny how I really don't buy things to match, but when you buy things that you love, they always seem to go together. I don't believe in matchy-matchy when it comes to the decor for my doll houses, but I do like for things to coordinate, and I think this rug looks great with my green chairs. And as I was going through my stash, I found these green candlestick holders that I made in one of my Trash to Treasure videos earlier in my channel, and they worked out perfect. Some beautiful blingy candlestick holders that are made out of some broken old earrings. They're just right for Christmas. Now, dolls, these are all random little pieces from my collection that I just went and pulled out of my stash. And it's really great because they're exactly what I needed. A little ceramic mantle clock. I got a little plant that I made. And I have so many little trinkets. Let me see what else I have here to show you. I do have a few pre-packaged boxes that'll be perfect to go under the Christmas tree. And see how nice that tree skirt looks, dolls? Now, these are old packages that I've had for quite a long time. And the gifts are actually just little wooden blocks that I wrapped and added a bow to. I definitely would like to show you dolls how I did that. And since gifts are something the dolls can exchange all year long, I definitely can put that on the list of videos to make. So now that some of the gifts are in place, let me go ahead and put the chair back and kind of arrange things so that things will make sense and the traffic of the room will flow. Now, this is a wonderful cabinet that I actually purchased in a haul from Whitney LeBrie. Definitely check out her channel. She has hauls every week and some really, really beautiful pieces. I thought this piece was exceptional. It has a lot of detail. It's a beautiful secretary desk, and these little drawers actually open. I actually would like to add quite a bit more detail and accessories to those at a later date, but let me get on with the Christmas decorating. Now, this is a tray for my silver tea set. This is an item that I purchased at the beginning of the channel, and I selected it specifically for this room. I will leave a link in the description to that particular haul for the tea set. And I really like it because it looks really antique. It's not the bright, shiny type of silver. It's kind of like a pewter. And here I am adding a few little newspapers, magazines that I got, just laying those in the chair. Because dolls, the details and things like that are the things that really bring a room to life. It's not just the people or the dolls in the house, it's the accessories, the things that people use. It's the details that give a dollhouse character and a heartbeat. Now, dolls, I want to turn your attention to an item that I've been saving for this particular room for a long, long time. It's a Reutter Porcelain lamp. I think it's absolutely beautiful in detail, and I think the color brings a lot of interest to the room. And I'm going to sit it right here on this table next to the sofa. I think the lamp gives a great pop of color to all the dark tones. Now, it's not a working light, but it's very beautiful, very detailed. So dolls, keep in mind, everything that you have in your dollhouse does not have to be functional. Sometimes the whole purpose is that it's beautiful. Now, dolls, if you look closely, you'll see I added some little candy canes to the Christmas tree, and the fire is lit. Looks like some other packages came in the mail, or maybe somebody was still wrapping some things. 'Twas the night before Christmas in the rooming house dollhouse. Not a creature was stirring, and dolls, we don't do mice. And here's actual footage of the dolls in the rooming house dollhouse Christmas morning 2022. The dolls had a wonderful time. The children are having a great time. The boys are trying to get the bike together. Daddy's trying to keep them from scrapping about the bike. Everybody's having a wonderful time. Now the dolls have plenty of room to entertain, so they not only have the dining room, but now the parlor is in place. They're expecting quite a few guests to come, preparing for watch night or New Year's Eve in the Rooming House Dollhouse. So now there's no shortage on space for all the expected guests. And look at the dining room. So there's plenty of family and friends in the dining room as well, dolls. What a wonderful welcoming place for weary travelers to come and find a clean place to sleep, good food to eat, and such a welcoming atmosphere of food, family, and friends. Now, dolls, if you've enjoyed this video today, definitely let me know in the comments. Also, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.